Welcome to our 8-minute easy bounce with Alyssa, presented by Needak.com. This is going to be a relatively easy workout, easy on the joints, not too intense, with some light bouncing, some stretching, and a little bit of muscularity. You'll notice Alyssa's wearing sneakers, but you can just as easily go barefoot on your Needak Rebounder. She's keeping her feet a comfortable distance apart. As you can see, there's no proning on the ankles, and that's one of the benefits of the Needak Rebounder. We're now switching to a similar workout to the previous one, which is just a light, easy bounce. But now we're lifting our arms into the air. You're welcome to do breathing along with the arms. Inhale as you pull up, and exhale as you push down. This serves as an easy workout that not only stimulates your body, but with the deep breathing, can give you a sense of calm and relaxation. Remember not to bounce too hard or too fast, and keep it at a gentle, calm pace. This will also improve your balance and gently test your stamina. By lifting your hands in the air, you're allowing your lungs to expand and contract in a gentle, not too intense manner. Now we're moving on to a slight jog with a little bit of a bounce. This is very similar to normal jogging, as you would do on a treadmill or a normal street. But with the soft impact of the Needak Rebounder, your knees won't feel the pain. Keep your pace easy and be gentle. Just find what works with you with regards to your hands and your legs. But do remember to keep your feet at a reasonable distance apart, something comfortable to make sure you have good balance. If you have a stabilizing bar, don't hesitate to hold on for a little bit of extra support. Remember to keep breathing, and don't hesitate to pause if you need to take a drink of water, or just take a short break. Again, we're resuming the same bounce, continuing it from the beginning, but now we're going to be swinging our arms from side to side. This will help stretch your spine and give your body a little bit of extra circulation and movement. Again, if you're using a stabilizing bar, keep one hand on the bar while swinging the other hand and switch. This is great for balance and for generally working out your core. Now we're going back to the same bounce we started with. A nice, gentle, easy bounce. Keep your legs a comfortable distance apart. Make sure your balance is spot on and your ankles are not proning in. This is a great workout to warm up, or if you're just starting with your Needak Rebounder, to get started. Thanks for watching our video, and we hope to see you at the next one.